Getting some more updates coming in. Some breaking news. Solicitor General of India, Tushar Mehta, raised in Supreme Court the issue of halal certification of non-meat products such as iron bars and cement, asking why should non-believers be made to pay higher cost for halal certified products. So that's what we see right now, viewers. And also, we're learning the law officer made these submissions before the Apex Court, which was hearing the police challenging a notification prohibiting the manufacturing, storage, sale and distribution of food products with halal certification within Uttar Pradesh, except for items produced for export. So, UP government asking a question there. It's coming in, why non-meat products certified? And this is the government versus Muslim group in Supreme Court over the halal ban. Okay, let's go straight across to my colleague Harsha joining us. We see Tushar Mehta raising issue of halal certification of non-meat products in the Supreme Court. Take us through what the arguments are being made in the Apex Court. Harsha, go ahead.
So Shivangi, today Supreme Court was hearing the pleas challenging the notification of the prohibition of sale distribution of the halal certification products in front of the Justice B.R. Gawai and Augustine Masih, and it was clearly stated that how there are several products, why would they need the halal certification? As we clearly know, what the submissions were made by SG Tushar Mehta was that even iron ore and cement sort of products which are exported within UP and outside need the halal certification, and the amount could go to several lakh crores, which is quite disturbing for the exporters, and that is the reason why this entire submissions was made in the Supreme Court today. And after hearing several submissions, now Justices Gawai and Augustine Masih has clearly stated that the rejoinder with the compiled petitions will now be heard on March of 24th, and also the submissions have to be given on the lines of what happened in the state of Uttar Pradesh as well. Earlier, we know the first time the submissions were made in November 2023, and last year in January also there was a plea by the Jamaat Uslema and other Muslim organizations as well, because the FIR regarding it was also submitted and also was lodged against several who were selling the products under non-halal certification. But SG Tushar Mehta clearly stated that it is voluntary and it is a matter of the lifestyle, and how come products like atta and besan could have the halal certification? So it should not be forced upon the exporters, and this is the reason why this entire submission was made in front of the Supreme Court. Now the matter will again be heard on March of 24th. Till now, this is the breaking update which you are getting, is that this is really a worrisome issue for the exporters, where iron ore and cement kind of products are also being sold, stored and distributed under the halal certification, where the business people had to be given several lakh crores for the export. Back to you.
All right, I'll come back to you soon, Harsha, as we keep getting more updates from the Supreme Court.